Ho ho ho, yo, hello, you good people. How are you today? Hopefully, you are in good condition, always in a good condition, in a healthy, in a productive way during this COVID-19 pandemic and during this quarantine. There is always good things happen. There is always good and positive things happen. There's always good thing, there's always good news. Okay, so today, what we got today? Actually, this package is already arrived. This was a good news, good thing to me. What is it? I mean, let's see. Let's do the unboxing. Yeah. Well, actually, this is my old pedals. One is my old pedal, but I decide to upgrade it. Upgraded what? Wait, cable. Wait, I put it back. Oops, sorry. Yep, this one. Okay, it's finally arrived. This one is one of my oldest pedal ever. I remember I bought this 12 years ago, I guess. 12 or 13 years ago. And what the other things we got today? Sorry, my phone. This one is a Tycho Brahe clone, using the real component, using the same component as the original one, but this one is customized based on my request. This one is a Dunlop Crybaby 535Q. This is the upgrade, I'm telling you. This is the upgrade, okay? So actually there's nothing problem with it, but couple weeks ago I saw one post from a local pedal builder, and he had one Clarostat potential. Okay, so I decide to switch the original hot pots into a Clarostat potentiometer. Okay, in my ears it has more character. Okay, it has more like a human vowel sound compared to the original hot pots. But you wanna hear the sound? I think I wanna hear the sound also. I mean, the local pedal builders already gave me the video and show me how the sound, but I want to hear it by myself. So I guess you guys want to hear by yourself too. Okay, and let me know your thought about it. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's switch to the pedal board. I already prepared the pedal board. As you can see, there's a space I can fill. Yeah, here for the wah-wah, there for the octave. Ding. Okay, check this out. Thank you. Clean channel. Then I engage the first mode. Okay. Second mode. The third mode. For mode number 4. Mode number 5, last mode. What if I put it back to the model number 1, but this time I add distortion, overdrive. This one is I engage the Blue Boy overdrive by MI Audio. Okay. Model number 2. Model number 3. Model number 4. And the last one, model number 5.